So that's the nature of Maya. We forget. We think we can get away with something. Ha ha ha. Think we can get away with mistreating Vaishnavas, or we think we can get away with not following the process of devotional service, or we can get away with not chanting our round. It's something like that question devotees sometimes ask, devotees or almost devotees, we could say. They ask questions to the extent, oh, what's the minimum I have to do to go back to Godhead? The very question means you're not ready to go back to Godhead. Because to go back to Godhead, we have to throw ourselves at Krishna, Atmanikshepa. Throw ourselves at Krishna, not say, well, how much can I hold back and still get Krishna? As my first GPC, Hansadutta Prabhu, used to say, Krishna doesn't see how much you give, he sees how much you don't give, how much you hold back. Krishna is very cunning. Krishna can see better than us. So be careful.